What's up everybody, Bobby here, and in today's video I am going to review one of my favorite fragrances from the house of Parfums de Marly, and that is Layton. Let's get into it. Yo, what's up everybody, Bobby here, and welcome to the Twilly's 2 Cents channel. And please go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell, because now you will be alerted when I get to upload new content for you guys, and your support is always appreciated. So let's hop into the video. So to hop straight into this thing, let's go ahead and start with the presentation. Yes, I kept the box because every niche fragrance that I buy, I'm most likely going to keep the box. So you just got your regular standard, box. It's not the most exquisite packaging or whatever, but still, it's a niche fragrance and I want to keep the box. So I'm gonna open this thing up. If I can get it out of the box. Yeah, there we go. We have a 4.2 ounce, which is 125 ml, and I got this for a great price over at fragrancebuy.ca. So if you're looking to check this one out, you may want to check that one to get some of the greatest deals on this scent. So we have a pretty hefty bottle here with a cap that weighs about a ton. If you drop this on your toe, it's gonna hurt. But other than that, man, just kind of simple. It's kind of like this matte, dark navy blue, which I really like. Only thing that I don't like about this is that you cannot see the liquid on the inside. So you never really know, unless you're putting your ear up to it, how much you have left in the bottle. But still, it's a wonderful bottle. Love it. And across the front, you can see you have 1743. May have to zoom in on that. 1743. There you have Parfums de Marly and Paris at the bottom. At the top, I'm gonna throw some B-roll in on this too. So let's check out that spray on this thing. Atomizer is pretty good. Here we go. Boom. The distribution on that spray is wonderful. You will be able to cover a lot of arm, neck, or whatever it is that you're trying to spray it on. Alright, so a little bit about this fragrance. This fragrance came out in 2016, and the perfumer for this fragrance is named Hamid Maradi Kashani. Hope I said that right, because I butcher names and I also butcher fragrance names, but we still gonna keep going. So Parfums de Marly is known as a warm, spicy fragrance with some wonderful notes in it, which we are about to cover right now. So in the top we have apple, lavender, mandarin orange, bergamot. In the mid we have geranium, violet, jasmine. And in the base notes we have vanilla, cardamom, sandalwood, pepper, patchouli, and gaiac wood. The notes that stand out to me the most in this fragrance is the apple, the mandarin orange, the vanilla, and the sandalwood. Some of my most favorite notes would be the vanilla, and of course sandalwood. With those notes with me, you really can't do no wrong unless you really just throw something in there that's crazy. But other than that, those are the notes that stand out to me. And let's move into the performance of this fragrance. I think it's only right that I go ahead and get a couple of sprays because it's matching the color of the shirt. And also, I didn't put on the scent yet, so let's go ahead and do that. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So the performance on this fragrance, you're gonna have, I would say, about moderately everything from the hours. I would say you get anywhere from 6 to 8 hours with this. But what I have found out is that after that, you would think that the scent is kind of gone away, but if your body temperature warms up, for instance, I put this on at side note, my cat is eating food inside, so if you hear any kind of crunching, that's him. But anyway, I put this on at like 5 p.m. yesterday. The scent kind of went away later on that early morning-ish. Anyway, like 11 at night, 12 in the morning. But The following morning, I went to the gym at around 9 o'clock, started to sweat a little bit, body temperature came up, and the fragrance came back out. So there is one thing that you should know about this. It can reappear on you. As far as projection, I'm pretty sure you're gonna get a bit more than the arm's reach, and also the scent trail on this, people will be able to pick it up if they're walking right behind you. Layton does show up as a unisex scent, but to me this is a more masculine fragrance, and if you are a lady trying to pull this one off, I believe that in certain situations you probably could, but to me this leans more masculine. This fragrance is among one of the most popular in the Parfums de Marly fragrance line, and to me this is great for fall and winter time. Although you can get away with this, I would say probably in the springtime too, but to me fall and winter is where you get the best peak out of this fragrance. I've heard a lot of people say that this is a great introduction into the world of niche perfumery, and I would have to agree, because I believe it's like that great midway transition from a designer into niche fragrances. So you definitely want to check this one out. So as I mentioned earlier, with this fragrance you can find a pretty decent price on this one. I got this 125 ml here from fragrance.ca, and I think it was around about $180. That's with tax and everything. So you can find a good price on this one. If you're trying to venture out of only sniffing designer fragrances and you want to try something a little bit more special, this one right here will ease you right into the world of niche fragrances. So when it comes to Layton, on a scale of 1 to 10 on the recommendation scale, I would recommend this fragrance at a 9.5. It's one of my favorites from the house, and I think that you will not go wrong with having this one in your collection. So that about wraps it up for this fragrance. A beautiful one to add. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you enjoyed the video also, leave me a like or dislike, drop some comments, stuff like that. And also check out one of these videos.